Finally.
My sister's wedding shopping has done. It's been really good that I called you. Otherwise, if I had to choose anything myself, I'd have been totally confused.
Yeah, I know. Forgot. That's why in college we used to call you confusing panda.
Hey, you too, man. Talking of confusion, I just remembered. There's one more confusion.
What new confusion has come up now?
I want to start investing, but there are so many options. I don't understand what's right for me.
Hey, there is SIP and mutual funds. Why aren't you doing an SIP like me?
SIP in mutual funds? What can it even do?
SIP lets you invest a fixed amount on a fixed date every month. It helps beat inflation. And on top of that, in the long term, it gives you a chance to build big wealth with the power of compounding. What else do you need?
Just one more thing. Who will guide me through my mutual fund investment journey?
That's what a mutual fund distributor is for.
Perfect then. I'll contact a mutual fund distributor today. Contact us for clear guidance and begin your mutual fund investment journey today.